get out here and listen to her. She sounds healthy. Seems to be running good. Had a little oil spill. Well, we changed the oil and the distributor. Try to check the timing. We got our timing light from next door neighbor. It looks like it's from the 1800s. Yep, we're gonna see if this thing works. You ready?
Sure.
Let's turn it over.
Yeah. No way, it works.
Oh, really?
Yeah. All right. Go. Hold on. All right. All right.
Do I need to be giving it any gas?
Maybe a little bit.
Change the distributor and change the oil. Well, we got a delivery. How far'd you get? Changing the fuel pump. Making some progress. Now to eat. I ain't focusing, but new fuel pump fixing to go in. Slider on in.
I forgot to lube it up.
What's the tank look like? Is it clean?
Yeah. I did find this in the bottom of it though. The original screen. And then that's the one that come off the...
Interesting.
Yeah.
But it looks kind of clean in there though. Got the distributor put on for today's list of things we need to do before it's fully ready to get to racing. And he's doing the fuel pump now. Change the oil so it's not the break-in oil anymore. Put some new plates on. Still got to do the power steering and the steering rack, but we'll get to that later on another day. Wrap this fuel pump up and We knocked half the list off of things to do.
Over half.
Yeah, I guess over half. Oh, we still need to put my seat in though. So that leaves us with power steering. With power steering, steering rack, and a new seat. And I just ordered a shifter, so that'll be added to the list. Yeah, I just keep adding things for him to do. She's in? She's in. Had to go get a new timing light because the one from 1980 didn't stay working. Ready? Fuel pump sounds healthier for sure. Ready? Oh yeah.
That's pretty happy. You work on
You need to, I think.
Well, we got everything wrapped up next morning here, and I believe she's running all right. I had to move it out of spot so we can get back into the carport, but seems like she's idling good and running good. She still don't like to get started of the mornings, but hopefully a little bit of a tune can help that. Get out here and listen to her. She sounds healthy. Seems to be running good. Like I said, we still going to change the power steering pump, do the steering rack, but we did get the oil change yesterday, and we put a new distributor on it, and it seems to be running a little smoother, hopefully. So after the tune, I believe the old Blueprint engine 302 will be running good. Yep, I believe she will be running good after a tune. We did have to put different injectors in it, and we put the fuel pump in it last night, and hopefully we can get it dialed in with the tuning now that we've got all of our problems fixed in that realm of things. So now we can just worry about getting it running good and clean to be able to start doing some autocrosses and time attacks and just some mountain driving and stuff. So hopefully be at TougeFest next weekend, so I can reclaim the TougeFest. Well, it took me out last time I was up there, so hopefully we can just go up there, hang out. Probably won't be doing a whole lot of driving anyway because it'd be too many people. I just like to go up there and watch and just bring the car up there anyway. So But hey, we are close to being able to get it out on the track at time attack and autocross it like we kind of built it for. So almost there. Excited to be able to run it. Do have the shifter coming in now. Bought a Steeda because the shifter that's in it, I really don't know what it is, but it feels horrible. It just, changing gears, just driving it normally feels bad. So get that fixed. Everything's slowly but surely coming together. Once we get the seat in too, it's gonna be nice. Can't really see it that well, but we do got the seat here. Gonna be really nice. OMP. Well, this is I guess a little in-between update video on getting it running and what it's kind of taken to get it started, because it's kind of been a little longer process than I would like it to be, but it is what it is. A few little minor things to get done, and I think the main things power-wise, getting it running smooth, is done. So just gotta get with a tuner and get it tuned and lined out with some daily driving and maybe a few pulls and stuff on the road. Street tuning. Then we'll probably put it on the dyno later on in its life, just to see, out of curiosity, what it's supposed to make. It should be around 300 horsepower, but we'll see how close it is. And if we make it through the TougeFest, come back and do a once over on it and kind of give everything an update and give y'all an update on exactly what has went into it, suspension wise, wheels, tires, brakes, engine plant now. But we're close. Excited to get it running though.